Here's a 2016 Lexus GX 460. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, active front and rear anti-roll bar, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and V8 engine. The Car Connection calls the GX 460 easy to drive smoothly, yet moves quite quickly when you need it to. Lexus, performance in every detail. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.